nama saya Vina Alatas, mau mengucapkan selamat Idul Fitri buat keluarga di Indonesia, buat teman-teman juga. Ya udah selamat ya Idul Fitri.
Halo, nama saya Sri Aliska Gita, mau ngucapin selamat Hari Raya Idul Fitri, minal aidin wal faizin untuk semuanya, untuk keluarga dan teman-teman di Indonesia. Maaf lahir batin, walaupun jauh kita tetap saling memaafkan.
Hey, welcome back. Masih dengan kita berdua di merayakan Lebaran di Amerika.
Betul banget, masih sama teman-teman kita. Dan ini dari tadi kita udah menikmati makanan Indonesia yang enak-enak.
Udah kenyang, udah puas ya kita makan di
Iya,
sini
dan
ya.
kita udah ngobrol-ngobrol, udah asik, wah have fun banget. Tapi yang pasti malam ini belum cukup ya, karena dari tadi kita udah ngomongin makanan. Udah ngomongin musik, udah ngomongin soal hangout, dan kurang
Apalagi
nih.
yang kurang ya?
Kurang nih.
Ngomong-ngomong San, di sini tuh udah pasti kan pada expert kalau masak dan makan juga ya.
Kalau gua enggak, gua expertnya makan, bukan
Tapi mungkin
masak.
nih ada yang masih mau pingin tahu caranya gimana sih jadi seorang bintang film, jadi aktor Hollywood.
Wah, Pom Notus pasti ada dari kalian kan yang mau jadi bintang Hollywood.
Aduh, ada banget dong pasti. Nah,
You
sekarang
guys have to check this out.
Ya.
Oke, lihat aja bintang Hollywood yang satu ini.
Family?
We didn't ever think you'd leave Ole Miss.
It does take 4 years, Jolene. She is, you know, I think she wants to fit in with them, that's for sure. Not so much as she gets older, but she did want to fit in with them. But she's different in the fact that she was incredibly lucky to have Constantine and was incredibly lucky to have someone who understood her and pushed her to be everything she could be. I got a job today writing for the Jackson Journal. That was the greatest gift Skeeter ever received, and she never forgets it.
Write my obituary. Charlotte Phelan, dead. Her daughter, still single.
Number one, we're both writers. You know, I'm a writer. I just don't know it. I think we're both courageous. We're both courageous in terms of breaking out of the norm, not wanting to go with the status quo. Feeling like there's something better out there in the world for me.
Does this dress look homemade?
I reckon when you finish it won't.
Thank you.
She looked like the winning horse at the Kentucky Derby.
I've been saying all day, I think both Skeeter and Aibileen are modern, liberated women.
It was so comforting to dip down into the voice of Aibileen because she reminded me so much of Dimitri. She was the black woman that's worked for our family for 32 years.
A bill that requires every white home to have a separate bathroom for the help.
Well, she is the character that you would love to hate. That's what I was left with when I read the script for the first time.
Maybe we should just build you a bathroom outside, Haley.
It was kind of hard to get into her psychology and to justify the things that she was doing. And what, of course, I knew was that she was an ignorant woman.
She would show up on set. I basically had nothing to tell her. She had done so much homework, down to her body language, her mannerisms, the way she carried herself.
You said to write about what disturbs me, particularly if it bothers no one else. I'd like to write something from the point of view of the help. I want to interview you.
My goal was to stay within the mindset and of the time and try to be as truthful to the times, but sometimes it was too heavy. So, you look to your castmates and ultimately who became your friends to help pull you out of that.
No maid is ever going to tell you the truth. That's a hell of a risk to take in Jackson, Mississippi.
It's only on a movie set. And it's only in this movie. Here are all these generations of women, different colors or whatever, and we're doing what we're doing on the set, and then off. When we're off, we're interacting. And that's the beauty of it.
Incredible opportunity to grow personally.
Absolutely.
It's just amazing.
Courage isn't just about being brave. It's about overcoming fear and daring to do what is right for your fellow man.
What changed your mind?
God. And Miss Haley Holbrook.
Quite scandalous. Sounds like Jackson, if you ask me.
You tell Aibileen. Do I have plans for her?
You are godless woman.
We gone done it now.
Nah, Popnoters itu dia Made in Hollywood. Kalau ada dari kamu yang mau jadi bintang film, dengerin tadi kata aktor-aktor tentang tips bagaimana menjadi bintang film Hollywood.
Betul banget. Nah, kalau misalnya satu lagi yang harus dicatat selain tips-tips tadi itu adalah Facebook kita dong. VOA Pop News, karena kita harus bacain pesan-pesan Popnoters sekalian di Facebook kita. Tapi kali ini yang baca bukan kita dong, karena kita lagi sama teman-teman kita yang baca adalah sang tuan rumah ya. Gantian, bukan kita-kita. Ayo, kita ada pesan dari
Anas di Tebar Pesona.
Aduh namanya.
Anas suka tebar pesona ya.
Pertanyaannya, VOA biasanya gimana tempat ngabuburit orang Islam di USA?
Waduh, Anas, ngabuburit di USA itu sebenarnya
ada yang mau sharing nggak?
Ada yang mau bilang jawabannya adalah
Sebenarnya nggak ada ya. Nggak ada. Semuanya masih kerja, jadi kita nggak ada kebiasaan ngabuburit ke mall atau gimana.
Nah, jadi kalau nggak kerja biasanya mungkin window shopping gitu.
Iya.
Ada juga sih sebagian yang begitu.
Iya, kalau nggak hangout di park-park yang banyak banget ya ada di sekitar daerah-daerah Amerika sini ya. Tapi yang pasti ngabuburit seperti Indonesia itu nggak ada, sayang sekali. Nah, seperti si Anas yang suka tebar pesona tadi, jangan lupa untuk nge-wall di Facebook kita yaitu VOA Pop News, dan of course follow kita di Twitter juga
@VOA Pop News. Jangan lupa pemirsa. Dan beginilah kira-kira suasana Lebaran di Amerika. Sekarang waktunya kita mau lanjut makan-makan lagi ya, Sar.
Iya, tapi sebelum kita pergi kita harus sekali lagi mengucapkan minal aidin wal faizin, mohon maaf lah.